Hello everyone. Today we have to learn about half range sine series. Half range sine series, in this case, function f of x may be defined in the interval from minus pi to pi or from minus L to L. Then half range sine series for given function f of x is given by f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite bn into sine of n pi x divided by L, where Bn is Fourier coefficient which we can obtain by using formula Bn is equal to 2 upon L integral from 0 to L f of x into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x. So let us solve problems. Sum number 1 is find half range sine series for x into sine x in 0 to pi. Function f of x is given by x into sine x and that function is defined in the interval from 0 to pi. Let us solve this sum. In step number 1, write the formula for f of x. F of x is equal to summation of n is equal to 1 to infinite bn into sine of n pi x divided by L. Okay. Here L is nothing but upper limit of the interval which is pi. L is equal to pi and formula for Fourier coefficient Bn is given by Bn is equal to 2 upon L integral from 0 to L f of x into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x. Okay. But L is pi put here. Then step 2. Let us find Bn. Bn is equal to 2 upon pi from 0 to pi. F of x is x into sine x into sine of n pi x divided by L. N pi x divided by L is pi integral with respect to x. Okay. Now simplify this. Pi gets cancelled. Hence Bn can be written as Bn is equal to 2 upon pi integral from 0 to pi x into sine x into sine nx integral with respect to x. We know trigonometrical formula sine c into sine d is equal to 1 upon 2 cos of c minus d minus cos of c plus d. Okay. We have to apply this formula. Hence Bn is equal to 2 upon pi integral from 0 to pi x into cos of c is x and d is suppose nx. So x minus nx minus cos of x plus nx divided by 2 bracket close integral with respect to x. Let us simplify this. Bn is equal to these 2 cancels with these 2, then 1 upon pi integral from 0 to pi. First function is suppose x into, in this bracket we can write cos of taking x common 1 minus n times x minus cos of 1 plus n times x bracket close integral with respect to x. This is algebraic function and this bracket is trigonometric function. So applying special formula of integration by parts, we can evaluate this integral. Hence Bn is equal to 1 upon pi into bracket first function x as it is, integral of second function, that means integral of bracket, that is integral of cos of 1 minus n times x is given by sine of 1 minus n times x divided by 1 minus n minus sine of 1 plus n times x divided by 1 plus n. Okay. Minus derivative of x is 1 into integral of this bracket minus cos of 1 minus n times x divided by derivative of 1 minus n times x is 1 minus n and this 1 minus n, that becomes 1 minus n its square minus integral of this minus cos of 1 plus n times x divided by 1 plus n square of this and then this square bracket is closed, and limits are from 0 to pi. So since we know sine of 1 minus n times pi is equal to 0, sine of 1 plus n times pi is equal to also 0, and cos of 1 minus n times pi, this is equal to minus of minus 1 to the power n, and cos of 1 plus n times pi is equal to also minus of minus 1 to the power n. Okay. Now using these values, first term becomes 0. Okay. Now put in second term only. Upper limits and lower limits we have to put in second term only. Okay. First simplifying this, bn is equal to, we can write eliminating first term. Now here minus minus plus, and this also minus minus. We can take multiplication of this minus sign in this bracket first. Then this can be written as 1 upon pi into bracket. Multiply this bracket by minus sign. Okay. Cos of 1 minus n times x divided by 1 minus n square of this, and then minus cos of 1 plus n times x divided by 1 plus n square. Limits from 0 to pi. Now substitute value of cos of 1 minus n times pi and cos of 1 plus n times pi. Both are having same value, minus of minus 1 to the power n. So again simplify this. Hence bn is equal to 1 upon pi into bracket minus of minus 1 to the power n divided by 1 minus n square of this, minus of minus 1 to the power n divided by 1 plus n square of this. Okay. And if we substitute lower limit, then minus of this becomes cos 0 divided by 1 minus n square. Okay. And minus minus plus cos 0 divided by 1 plus n bracket square. Okay. Bracket close. Now simplify this. Hence bn is equal to 1 upon pi into bracket. Now from here we can take minus 1 to the power n common. Then into bracket remains, this becomes 1 upon 1 plus n bracket square minus 1 upon 1 minus n bracket square. Now from these two terms we can take minus sign common, and you know cos 0 is 1, this also becomes 1. So into bracket remains 1 upon 1 minus n its square minus 1 upon 1 plus n square of this, and bracket close. Again rewriting the terms, 1 upon pi into bracket minus 1 to the power n. Keep this as it is, 1 upon 1 plus n its square minus 1 upon 1 minus n its square. Okay. Plus 1 upon 1 plus n its square, taking this term first, minus 1 upon 1 minus n square of this. Okay. And from these two terms we can take this bracket common. Hence we can write this is equal to 1 upon pi. We are taking this bracket common. So 1 upon 1 plus n square of this minus 1 upon 1 minus n square of this. Bracket close. In another bracket remains minus 1 raised to n plus here 1. 1 is coefficient of this bracket. So minus 1 to the power n plus 1. Okay. Now this becomes 0 if n is odd, and this is equal to, we can write, if n is even, then minus 1 to the even power, that becomes plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2. 2 times this. So if n is even, this can be written as 2 upon pi into bracket 1 upon 1 plus n square minus 1 upon 1 minus n square. Okay. So we are assuming n is even number, and simplify again. So bn is equal to 2 upon pi into bracket, taking cross multiplication, 1 minus n square of this minus 1 plus n square of this divided by 1 plus n into 1 minus n, that becomes 1 minus n square and its square. So simplify again. This is equal to 2 upon pi into bracket square of this bracket 1 minus 2n plus n square minus square of this bracket minus 1 minus 2n minus n square divided by 1 minus n square its square. Again simplify. Bn is equal to 2 upon pi. Here minus 2n minus 2n minus 4n. N square and minus n square gets cancelled. 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. Remains only minus 4n divided by 1 minus n square of this. Okay. Now simplify this. This is equal to 2 into minus 4 minus 8n divided by pi into 1 minus n square. N must be not equal to plus or minus 1. Then only this Bn exists. Hence, f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite. Bn is this one minus 8n divided by pi into 1 minus n square of this into sine of n pi x divided by L. But we know L is pi. So sine nx only. And this is solution. And this is half range sine series for given function f of x. Okay. Let us solve next sum. Now example number 2. Obtain half range sine series for f of x is equal to kx for the interval 0 to L upon 2. And f of x is equal to k into L minus x when x lies between L upon 2 to L. Let us solve this sum. In step number 1, we have to write the formula for f of x and Fourier coefficients. So f of x half range sine series is given by summation n is equal to 1 to infinite bn into sine of n pi x divided by L. Okay. Here upper limit is L. Keep this L as it is. And then formula for Fourier coefficient Bn is given by Bn is equal to 2 upon L integral from 0 to L f of x into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x. Upper limit is L. Keep this L as it is. Okay. Replace f of x by kx and k into L minus x. F of x is having two values in two different intervals. So split this integral in two integrals. Hence we can write Bn is equal to 2 upon L. Now first integral for the interval from 0 to L upon 2. And in this interval f of x is having value kx into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x plus second integral from L upon 2 to L, and in this interval f of x is having value k into L minus x into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x, and then square bracket close. Simplify this in step number 2. So in step number 2, Bn is equal to 2 upon L. K is taken common from both the integrals. Okay. Into bracket integral from 0 to L upon 2 x into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x plus integral from L upon 2 to L minus x into sine of n pi x divided by L integral with respect to x bracket close. Okay. Apply by parts method means special formula for integration by parts. So this is equal to 2k upon L into bracket for this integral. First function x as it is into integral of this minus cos n pi x divided by L divided by derivative of this with respect to x n pi divided by L minus derivative of x is 1 integral of this bracket minus sine n pi x divided by L divided by derivative of this and this one n square pi square divided by L square. Okay. Bracket close and limits from 0 to L upon 2. This is integral of evaluation of first integral. And now we have to evaluate second integral plus into square bracket. First L minus x, this function as it is, integral of this, same like this. So this is minus cos n pi x divided by L divided by n pi upon L minus derivative of L minus x with respect to x is derivative of L is 0 and derivative of x is 1. So minus 1 into this bracket as it is, that is minus sine n pi x divided by L divided by n square pi square divided by L square. Bracket close and limits from L upon 2 to L, and then this bracket close. Let us simplify this. This is equal to 2k upon L. Now in this bracket, this can be written as minus of L upon n pi x into cos of n pi x divided by L. Now here minus minus, this becomes plus L square upon n square pi square sine of n pi x divided by L, and limits from 0 to L upon 2. Okay. Now simplify this one, plus into bracket. This n pi upon L can be written as L upon n pi. This bracket L minus x as it is into minus of this. So minus sign you can take here, cos of n pi x divided by L. Now minus minus plus, plus minus minus. Okay. So minus of this becomes L square upon n square pi square sine of n pi x divided by L, and limits from L upon 2 to L. Okay. Now substituting upper limit and lower limits, Bn is equal to, we can write 2k upon L in first bracket minus L upon n pi as it is. X is replaced by L upon 2 cos of, we are replacing x by L upon 2. L upon 2 divided by L means L gets cancelled, remains n pi upon 2 plus this L square upon n square pi square as it is. Here also sine of x is replaced by L upon 2. So L gets cancelled, remains n pi by 2. Now replace x by 0, lower limit, minus minus plus x is replaced by 0, 0 into something, that is 0, minus replacing x by 0 here, sine 0, that becomes 0. Now here we have to substitute upper limit first, plus let us take minus sign common from these two terms, hence this can be written as minus into bracket, first substitute upper limit, L minus L, that becomes 0, 0 into something, that is 0. Okay. And here also if we replace x by L, sine n pi, that also becomes 0 plus 0. Now substitute lower limit, x is equal to L upon 2. Both these terms becomes positive because of taking minus sign common. Substitute upper limit first. So minus L upon n pi, L minus L upon 2, that is L upon 2 into cos of n pi, L upon 2, L gets cancelled, n pi by 2. Then minus L square divided by n square pi square sine of n pi by 2. Bracket close. Now here this term and this term gets cancelled. This is with minus sign and this minus minus plus sign. Okay. These two terms gets cancelled. Remains only this term and this term. Hence this can be written as Bn is equal to 2k upon L, this plus this, minus minus plus. So 2 times L square upon n square pi square into sine of n pi by 2. Okay. Simplify this. This is equal to L cancels with this square. Then numerator becomes 4kl divided by this n square pi square into sine of n pi by 2. This is Bn. Let us substitute value of Bn in f of x. So f of x is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinite. Bn is this one, 4kl divided by n square pi square into sine of n pi by 2 into sine of n pi x divided by l. Okay, this is half range sine series for given function f of x, and this is solution. Okay, let us stop here. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.